an over-average digital AI marketing agency with an average digital marketing life. We work from 9 to 5. Hey, hell, I pay the price. All we want is to be left alone in our average office home. But why do we always feel like we're in the twilight zone? And we always feel like companies watching BLD, and we have no privacy online. We always feel like companies watching BLD. Tell me, is it just a dream? When we come to work at night, we bolt the door real tight. Scammers call me on the phone, I'm trying to avoid. But can the scammers see me online, see me, or am I just paranoid? When we're in the office, we're afraid to sit down in the chair, 'cause we might open our computer browser and find someone standing there. People say we're crazy, just a little touch, but maybe online browsers remind me of psycho too much. That's why we always feel like companies watching BLD, and we have no privacy online. We always feel like companies watching BLD. Who's playing online tricks on BLD? We don't know anymore. Are the neighbors watching me? Who's BLD? So Google on the Watching BLD. Never tell me who's BLD, and we don't feel safe anymore. Oh, what a mess. We wonder who's watching BLD now. Woo! The digital competitors. We always feel like